Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching. Today our topic is how to extend the lifetime of the ASIC mining hardware and what should it. So I think this topic will interest all the miners. Here today I show you a Antminer S17 Plus. It is disassembled and you can see the one hashboard is moved out. And this is the reference hashboard. So I think everyone wants to know how to extend its lifetime and how to make the machine working stably. So the first and important factor which affects the lifetime and the working status of the hashboard is the temperature. One is the environment temperature, another and the most important is the ASIC temperature. So how to make the hashboard to work, to run in a cool environment. So first, you need to let the environmental temperature to be at the range of 0.6 degree to 46 degree. And for the ASIC running temperature, you should check the specific of the miner. And for the Antminer, is usually below 80 or 85, or the temperature will be too high to let the miner stop. To avoid this, it is very important to do the cooling of the hashboard. Now you can see this S19 Plus use the fan cooling and some now the water cooling and the oil cooling is more and more popular. Why? Because in water cooling and oil cooling, the temperature when the ASIC running calculate will be much lower than the fan cooling systems. But you will also consider the investment with and another purpose for water cooling and oil cooling is to level down the noise when the ASIC machine running. Water cooling and oil cooling can let the ASIC miner smooth and quiet. The second is that keep the hardware clean. So when you can see for this ASIC miner, there are mainly dust on the surface of the housing of the hashboard, on the control board, also on the cables, and on the PSU, on the fans, and also on the heat sinks. Here you can see. So if there are too much dust, it will affect the heat dispatching for the ASIC. It will occur the overheat to the hardware and will let the hash rate down. These many problems will happen during the hardware working. So regular cleaning of their ASIC hardware is essential and must do, which can prevent the dust buildup and keep the ASIC miner running smoothly. The third is the quality of the power supply. From the ASIC specification, you can see the hardware models. Okay, for this one, there is no rating label for it. But you can check the PSU's specification from the minor instruction. And a good quality PSU will give the plenty power supply to your hashboard. Poor quality power supply can cause the power surges and damage the hashboard. So choose the right model and high quality PSU can make your hashboard working smoothly and stably. Decrease the damage rate of the hashboard. The fourth is use the dedicated circuit for the machine. Running ASIC mining hardware on the same as other electrical equipment can cause power fluctuations and damages to the hardware. That means if you use a power supply, not this PSU, I mean the grid, and to the main to the main circuit. Collect this power supply and then you collect filter to let them on the same circuit. That will damage the ASIC also because this will cause the power wave up and down. So if the power supply cannot be stable, the hashboard working cannot be stable. And there will be short circuit happening. The fifth is to regularly check and replace the faulty parties. Okay, this can easy to understanding, right? You can monitor and watching the status of the ASIC. And also, if you find there are too much dust cover on it or on the fence, so you need to clean it. And you should check whether there are something residue stopped the fence and or on the hashboard or the power supply. So regular checking inspection is necessary. If you find here the collector of the cable is broken, so you need to replace it in once to prevent the low hash rate. In this case, you can extend the ASIC miner's life. Please note, when you replace the control board, you need to make attention to S19 series because S19 series is very special in the Antminer family. There are baby board and the all-in-one board and kind of control board which installed in the ASIC with the 9 cables out of on the surface of the miner. Okay, so when you replace the control board from the BB board to the all-in-one board, you need to also upgrade the control board program is firmware. Is firmware. If you skip this step, the hashboard cannot work. The sixth is that you need to use the proper storage. That means like this status. When the when the ASIC miner is not powered on, for example, at the high electricity areas, but in the bear market, the coin price is very low, so we cannot get any profit, but we'll lose money when we power on the ASIC, so we will plug it off. But you still need to store it in a good condition, in a cool and dry environment, and also to cover it to prevent rust, prevent dust, and to avoid the hashboard and the electrical components rust and damage it. Okay. The seventh point is avoid the overclocking. For the fan cooling system ASIC, if you run the overclocking, so your power supply, your ASICs will running at a load high load, so it will short its lifetime. Hello, friend. Do you have any points to add? Okay, so do you have any points added? Okay, in the next time we will talk about how to pick up the used miners working to join in. Bye bye.你们宿舍怎么样？没有一个人，两个人。